One of the last key areas of focus in ServiceM8 is a record detail. Here we have a job record which we'll use to explore the key aspects of a job detail. At the top we have our toolbar with different options ranging from creating a new email, a new SMS message, a new task, attaching a file, reviewing and receiving payments, and a print dialog. Here we have our customer record. We can hit edit to change the customer who's applied to a job. We have a PO field, a job status drop-down. One item to note is that these four options, quote, work order, completed and unsuccessful, are hard-coded to ServiceM8 and cannot be changed. After that we have the job category. By default we have standard, VIP, warranty, and after hours. These can be customized to fit the workflow you have within your organization. We have the job address area. One of the really nice things about ServiceM8's job address is as we're typing, it automatically tries to find us the most up-to-date information using Google Maps. If I were to say yes here, it will auto-populate with that information. Once we do, it also notes that data in the job diary, giving us the drive time from the office. Here we have the job description area. One of the key areas to note about the job description field is we can create checklist items. To do that, we can add any line of text and just simply add a dash in front of it. That line will automatically become a checklist item for your text in the field in the ServiceM8 mobile app. Below this we have our contacts area, where we will typically find a job contact and a billing contact. Each can have a first name and last name, an email address, a phone number, and a specific mobile phone number. That's important because those phone numbers are the ones that will be visible if we were to generate a new SMS message. Likewise, if we create a new email message, it's going to call up any contact's email from the job contact or the billing contact. Additionally, we see on the right side here what ServiceM8 calls the job diary. This is an ongoing list of any item that's been noted on this account. That can be when the job was created, any note attached to the job status changes, job scheduled information, tasks assigned. It will also capture new emails that would be sent, new SMSs that would be sent, any files that are generated from ServiceM8 or that are attached, even payments will all be noted here in the job diary. Let's take a moment to review the different interfaces you'll see from the toolbar items. From new email, the to field will automatically be populated by all of the email addresses found in either the job contact or billing contact. You can add additional email addresses to the to or the CC fields. You can either manually add a subject and a body, or select from your email templates. These can be customized within your settings, and it is covered in a later video. You can also attach files. If you were to remove one of the email addresses found in the job, that becomes an available item for you to click on for that to be added to the to field. Once your email is ready to go, you can just simply hit send. Similarly, the new SMS message allows you to select one of the mobile phone numbers on the job. You can also select from one of the SMS messages or write your own custom message. You can add a new task by filling out the task details. You can choose to give it a due date, or if you would like to assign it to an individual. You can also attach a file. This could be a document, a PDF, or an image, or any other type of file that you may need to attach for your workflow. The Receive Payment button brings up a dialog showing you the total for the job, any payments that have been made to the job, and the remaining balance due. If I wanted to add a payment, ServiceM8 automatically applies the current balance due. I could change that to any other denomination I wish, change the date I'm applying this if I choose to, change the payment methods. This list can be updated from the settings preferences and attach a note, and then just simply add payment. From the print drop-down, we can quickly print a quote, a work order, or an invoice. If we have currently not generated one of those documents, ServiceM8 will automatically generate that document and attach it to our job diary. The second tab we see is the Quotes and Invoicing tab. Here we can note that the billing address is the same as the job address. We can also update the work completed fields. When using the ServiceM8 mobile app, any checklist item that is marked complete in the checklist automatically become items in our work completed fields. One nice thing about this field is it does have a pop-out box, as this content can sometimes get rather lengthy. This makes it much easier to work with multiple paragraphs of text. Also, we have the ability to work with our material and service items. We can add or delete them, update their quantity, their item code, the item name, their price, and tax. And ServiceM8 will automatically calculate that line item's price for us. It's important to note, if I were to create a new service or material, ServiceM8 will automatically record that in our materials list. At any time I can produce a quote or an invoice, regardless of its current job status. Lastly, at the top right, we see our job number. Currently this is our sample job, but whatever your preference is in settings and preferences will dictate what our next job number will become. Lastly, and possibly most important, the last thing we want to do when we're done manipulating a job is to hit the Save button. We will be notified at the bottom left, indicating that the job was saved correctly.